Hi students. So our next part is Kapala Rogas. Kapala Roga is nothing but the disease of the scalp region. That is Kapala Rogas. That I divided into two parts. As you all know, there are 9 Kapala Rogas, which is mentioned only in Ashtanga Hridaya, and some diseases are mentioned in Susra Samhita in Shudra Roga chapter, not along with Shiro Rogas, but in Shudra Roga chapter, Acharya Susruta has mentioned some among these diseases. So, but particularly in Shiro Rogas in Ashtanga Hridaya only, Acharya Vagbhada has mentioned Kapala Rogas along with the Shiro Rogas. They are 9 in numbers. Some we will discuss today. Kapalarogas, Shirasyevascha Vakshande Kapale Vyadhayo Napaha. So, in Shirasyevascha Vakshande Kapale, Shira Kapala, so skull disease, scalp diseases, Vyadhayo Navaha are 9 in numbers. So, it is mentioned in Ashtanga Hridaya Shiroga chapter itself. So, 9 Kapala Rogas are there. In that, first one is Upashirshaka. कपाले पवने दुष्टे गर्भस्थस्य अपि जायते सवर्णो नीरुजः शोफस्तं विद्यात् उपशीर्षकम् कपाले पवने दुष्टे गर्भस्थस्य अपि जायते. So this disease is caused by Vada dosha. So kapale pavane dushte. So here the visheshan of Vada happens. Garbhastasya abhijayade. It happens in the before birth only, in Garbhavastha, in pregnancy only this will happen. Savarno nirujaha shofastam vidyat upashirshakam. Savarno, same color of the skin. Savarno nirujaha shofaha. So there is a swelling in the kapala, in the scalp region, which is of the same color of the skin, and there won't be any pain. That is known as upashirshaka, and it happens during the pregnant time only. So during delivery only we will see there is a swelling in the baby's head, which is the same color of the baby's skin without any pain. That is known as upashirshaka. I think you might have learned in Kaumaram, right, about this upashirshaka. And we can compare this to caput succedaneum or cephalohematoma. Some hematomas are there, that is cephalohematoma or caput succedaneum. That is a injury by birth, right? Birth canal injury. Because of that, there will be caput succedaneum or cephalohematomas. All this causes a swelling while the birth of the baby itself. So, Upashirshaka is nothing but it is a disease caused by Vada in the time of pregnancy only. Garbhasthasya abhi. In Garbhavastha only the Vada get vitiated and causes this Upashirshaka, and it looks like, how it looks like, it's a swelling, right? Savarno, the same color of the skin only. Nirujaha, there won't be any pain, and there will be a swelling in the scalp of the baby. That disease is known as Upashirshaka. Chikitsa. नवे जन्मोत्तरं जाते योजयेत् उपशीर्षके वादव्याधिक्रियां पक्वे कर्म विद्रदिश्चोदितम्. So, नवे जन्मोत्तरं जाते योजयेत् उपशीर्षके वादव्याधिक्रिया. In the newly occurred upashirshaka, newly formed upashirshaka, we can give vadavyadikriya. Vadavyadi chikitsa can be given. Pakve karme, if it is in the Pagavastha, already Pakwa Avastha, then Vidradischoditham. Vidradi chikitsa can be given. So, Nave Janmothare Jade, new swelling means we can give Vadavyadi chikitsa, and in the Pakwa Avastha we have to give Vidradi chikitsa. This is the Lakshana and chikitsa of Upashirshaka. Next comes Shiro Gandhi or Pidika, Shiro Arbuda and Shiro Vidradi. In all this condition, Yatha Doshodayam Bruyat Pidika Arbuda Vidradi. This is separately mentioned in different chapters by Acharyas. Grandhi, Vidradi and Arbuda is separate diseases. In Shalya, you will learn all these diseases. So, in scalp, in Kapala, if it is coming, then it is known as Shiro Grandhi, Shiro Arbuda or Shiro Vidradi. And the Lakshana is Yada Doshodayam Bruyat. It's already mentioned in one full chapter. Vidradi chapter is there, Arbuda is there. So which dosha predominant? That Lakshana we have to see. We can see in the Shira, in the Kapala region. Then that is Shira Vidradi, Shira Arbudam or Shiro Pidika. So Yada Doshodayam Bruyat Pidika Arbuda Vidradi. So Chikilsa also mentioned there. According to the dosha predominance, we have to give the Chikilsa also. So Chikilsa Amapakve Yatha Yogyam Vidradi Pidika Arbude. So Amapakve, if you see the this Vidradi and Arbuda chapter, you will understand Amavastha is also there, Pakvavastha is also there. The treatment are different for these two condition of the stage of the disease. So what treatment is given there for Amavastha, we have to follow here also, and also Pakvavastha, what all treatment are given, that we have to follow in Pakwa Vidradi or Pakwa Arbudavastha. And the main thing is which dosha predominant, that dosha predominant we have to follow here. The Lakshana of that predominant dosha can be seen, and the treatment accordingly have to be given in these three conditions: Shiro Pidika, Shiro Pidika or Shiro Grandhi, Shiro Arbuda and Shiro Vidradi. And next comes Arumshika. Arumshika. So Upashirshika over, Shiro Pidika, Shiro Arbuda and Shira Vidradi over. This is the fifth disease, that is Arumshika. Kapale Kleda Bahulaha Pitta Asrik Sleshma Jandubihi Kangu Siddharthaka Nipaha Pidika Sur Arumshika. So Arumshika is nothing but it is a pidika. It is a eruption. Pidika, pimple like thing. Kapale, it is happening in the Kapala. Kleda Bahulaha, because of the increased moist due to the visheshan of Pitta, Asrik, Sleshma, or because of Jandu, because of the small organisms, because of the visheshan of Pitta, Rekta and Sleshma, or because of the Jandu, there will be formation of Pidika in the scalp. So Kleda Bahulaha, or because of the increase, because of visheshan of all these things, there will be increased Kledatvam in the scalp, and it will cause the formation of the Pidika, and it resembles Kangu Siddharthaka Nipaha, Kangu Phala or Siddharthaka Phala. It looks like a Kangu Phala, the fruit of Kangu or fruit of Siddhartha Phala. It looks like that. That disease is known as Arumshika. So folliculitis of the head. So formation of folliculitis. So it looks like this, Arumshika. So it is a formation of Pidika, small pimple-like structures in the head. So Kapale Kleda Bahulaha, because of increased moist, Pitta Asrik and Sleshma, because of the visheshan of Pitta dosha, Rekta and Sleshma, or because of the Jandus, because of the small microorganisms, there will be formation of, there will be eruptions or Pidikas in the head, and it resembles Kangu Bala or Siddharthaka Phala. That disease is known as Arumshika. So Kapale Kleda Bahulaha Pitta Asrik Sleshma Jandubihi Kangu Siddharthaka Phala Rupaha Pidika Arumshika Syuhu. That disease is known as Arumshika. And the Chikilsa for Arumshika are Arumshika Jelugo Pirhrita Asrak Nimpa Varina Sikta Prabhuda Lebanor Limbet Ashwa Shakart Resehi Padola Nimpa Patrerva Sa Haridrehi Sukalkidehi Gomutra Jirna Pinyaka Krika Bagu Maler Api. Arumshika Jelugo Pirhrita Asra. So Rekta Moksha should be done using Jeluga. Using Jeluga, bloodletting should be done in Arumshika, and it should be washed with the Nimpavarina Sikta. We can wash the head with the Nimpavari, neem. With the neem, Kashaya prepared with the neem, we can wash the head. Prabhuda Levaner Limbet Ashwa Shagart Resehi Patola Nimba Patrairva Sa Haridrer Sukalkedehi Prabhuda Levaner Limpet Ashwa Shagart Resehi. Or we can do lepa using levana. Levana is salt mixed with the Ashwa Shagart Resehi, the juice of Ashwa Shagart, whose horse excreta. The juice of horse excreta mixed with the lavana can be used for leba. After washing with the nimba kashaya, we can apply a salt mixed with the juice of horse excreta. Or else padola nimba patreva saharidre sukalkitehi, or padola or nimba leaves, padola nimba leaves mixed with haridra, and we have to make a paste using gomutra, cow's urine, or jeerna pinyaga is oil cake. So cake, oil cake, that is old jeerna, so old oil cake, or krikabagu is kukuda, hen malehi, krikabagu malehi, that is hen's excreta. With mixed with any of this also we can put a leba. So padola nimba patra plus haridra mixed with gomutra or old oil cake, that is jeerna pinyaga, or krikabagu mala is kukuda mala, that is hen's excreta. Mixed with this we can apply leba. So in Arumshika we can do Jaluga Avacharana. So first Jaluga can be put. So bloodletting using Jaluga, and after that we can wash using neem kashaya prepared with neem leaves, or after that we have to apply lavana mixed with the ashwashagartarasehi, juice of horse excreta, that we can, or padola nimba patra mixed with the haridra, and that should be mixed with the gomutra, jeerna pinyaga, or krikavagu mala. This also can be applied as lepa on the head of the patient. Kapala prishtam kushtam va churnidam taila samyudam rukshika lepanam kandu kleda daha arthinashanam. Kapala prishta kushtam va, kushta drug we have to prishta in kapala prishtam, fry in a pan. Kapala prishtam kushtam va churnidam, after that we have to powder that. Taila samyudam mixed with the taila. Rumshika lepanam kandu kleda daha arthinashanam. Rumshika lepanam, we have to do lepa in arumshika condition, or in kandu kleda daha arthinashanam. It is indicated in a kandu. If there is a kandu itching, kleda the moistness is more, or daha, or in pain we can use this for a lepa. So kushta fried in a pan and then powdered and mixed with taila, then you have to apply on the head. If there is kledatvam, kandu, itching, daham, burning sensation, or pain, we can use this yoga. Maladi chitraga ashwakna naktamala prasadhitam chajarumshikeyo taila amapyaktam shura kushtayoho. So Shura Krishtayoho. So Maladi Chitraka Ashwakhana Naktamala Prasaditam Chacha Arumshigayor Tailam Apyaktam. So Taila prepared with Maladi Chitraka Ashwakhana Naktamala. With all these drugs we have to prepare Taila, and you have to do Apyangaha. Chaja Arumshigayoho. Chaja means another name of Indralupta. Indralupta is one of the Kapala Vyadi. So Chaja and in Arumshika, in Indralupta and in Arumshika, we can use this taila for Abhyanga after you doing Shura Krishtayoho. Shura Krishta means using razor we have to scrape the scalp, and after that we can do this Abhyanga. So Maladi Chitraga Ashwakhana Naktamala, with this we have to prepare oil and do Abhyanga. Before that, before doing this Abhyanga, we have to do scraping of the scalp using Shura. Shura Krishtayoho means using the razor or blade we have to scrape the scalp, and then we have to apply this oil in Indralupta and Arumshika condition. Ashandau Shirasaha Shuddhe Eteta Vamanadi Bihi. Ashandau, after doing all these things, it is not coming down. Ashandau, it is not curing. Then we have to do Shiraha Shuddheyoho, Shodhana of the Shiras by Vamanadi Kriya, Vamana Nasya and all. We can do Shiro Shodhanam. So after that we have to do. So this is Arumshika. Arumshika is nothing but the Pidikas resembling like a Kangu and Siddhartha Bala, and it can be seen in scalp in if there is a Kledatwa is more in Pitta, Rekta and Kapha vitiated condition along with Jandus. There will be formation of Pidikas, small Pidikas in the head. That is Arumshika, and it can be the treatment for Arumshika are mentioned. First we can do Jaluga Vajarnam, and with Nimba Kashaya we can do washing, and after that we can apply Levana mixed with the horse excreta, juice of the horse excreta, or Padula Nimba Patra and Haridra mixed with the Gomutra or Pinyaga, Jirna Pinyaga or Kukuda Mala. Or just mix and apply as leba, or otherwise we can go for this leba kapala prishtam kushta. We have to fry in pan and do powdering and then mix with taila, and we can apply that as a leba. Or the maladi, first you have to scrape the scalp using a razor or blade, and after that apply this oil prepared with maladi, chitraga, ashokna, naknamala, etc. If it is not subsiding with any of this treatment, we can go for Shiro Shodhanam, that is using Vamana Nasyadi Kriya. So that is the treatment and Lakshana of Arumshika. Next comes Darunaka. Kandu Keshas Chudi Swaba Raushakrit Spudanam Tvachaha Susushmam Kaphavadapyam Vidya Darunakam tu Tada. Kandu Keshas Chudi Swaba Raushakrit Spudanam Tvachaha Susushmam Kaphavadapyam Vidya Darunakam tu Tat. That is known as Darunaka. Darunaka can be compared to dandruff. So, Kandu, there will be itching. Keshas Chudi, fall of hair fall. Swaba, the sensation will be less. Rauksham, Rukshada, dryness will be there. Spudanam Tvachaha Susushmaha, that is small. Very minute spudanam. Spudanam means breaking of tvachaha, breaking of skin. Small breaking of skin can also be seen in the scalp, and it is caused by kapha and vada dosha. Visheshan of kapha and vada dosha will cause this darunaka. So it can be compared to dandruff. So there will be itching, hair fall, and sensation, loss of sensation, and dryness, and also there will be breaking of skin that is very minute, and it is caused by kapha and vata doshas, that is known as darunaka. So the treatment for darunaka are Vidyet shiram darunake lalatyam Shilayed mrijam Navanam murthabastim cha lepayescha samakshikehi Priyala bija maduga kushtamashehi sasarshavehi Laksha shamyaka patreda gyaja Datri phales tadaha Kora dusha trinakshara vari prakshalanam hitam. So vidyet shiram darune lalatyam. So in darunaka we have to do sira veda. Where you have to do sira veda? In Lelada region. So in Lelada region we have to do Siravetha Vidyet Siram Darunake Lelatyam Shilayed Mrijam. You have to follow cleanliness. You have to clean the hair and the scalp regularly. Shilayed Mrijam Navanam Murtha Bastimscha. Navanam Nasyam can be given, Murtha Basti, Shiro Basti can be given. Lepayescha Samakshigehi Priyala Bija Maduka Kushtamashehi Sarshapahi. So using these drugs we have to do a paste. Priyala Bija Maduka Kushta Masha Sarshaba along with mixed with the Makshika, mixed with the honey. We can give a lepana on the head, or we can do prakshalana using Laksha Shamyaga Patredha Gaja Datri Phalas Tatha Kora Dusha Drina Kshara. So all these drugs along with Kora Dusha Trina Kshara, Shara of Kora Dusha mixed with Vari, mixed with water, and with that we can do Prakshalanam Kritam. So these are the treatment for Darunaka. So in Darunaka, you have to do Siravetha. Siravetha can be do in Lelada, forehead region, and also cleanliness is very important. You have to clean your hair and scalp regularly. And Navanam Murtha Bastibihi, Navanam Nasya with the Vata Kapara Dravyas can be given, and Shiro Basti can be given using a Taila prepared with the Vata Kapara Dravyas, and Lepana Yogas, that is Priyala Bija, Maduka, Kushta, Masha, and Sarshaba mixed with the Makshikam. Honey can be given for Lepana, and with this Laksha Shamyaka, Datri, and also Kora Dusha, Trinakshara, Shara prepared with Kora Dusha mixed with water. With this, using this, we can do Prakshalana also, Prakshalanam Hitam. So with this, we can wash the scalp. So these are the treatment for Darunaka. So today we covered Upashirshakam, then Shiropidika or Shirograndhi, Shira Arbudam, Shiropitradi, Arumshika, and Darunaka. Lakshanas and Chikilsa are mentioned in these slides. Hope you are understood till now. So 9 diseases are there. Now we completed Upashirshakam, Shirograndhi or Pidika, Shiro Arbuda, Shirovitrati, Arumshika, and Darunaka. Okay, so hope you understood the Lakshanas and Chikilsa and all the meaning of these logas and all, and the treatment, different yogas and all are mentioned for this. Hope you all understood this, study all these logas, and thank you.